Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we are making garlic butter pear and seared cod. This recipe is perfect for homemade fish dishes. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Here are my fish. They've been defrosting in the fridge. So I like to go in and soak up all that extra water and pat them dry. After patting them dry, go in with some salt and just be careful with the codfish. They are so delicate and flaky, and you need to work and make sure that you don't break up the fish when patting them. And some black pepper. I also like to sprinkle some paprika on my codfish just to give them some color. Go ahead and pat that on the fish. Now flip them over and we're going to repeat the same process. Just like so. Now over medium-high heat, add your olive oil. We are going to allow this oil to heat up for about 3 minutes because we want a good sear on our fish. Now carefully place your fish in the skillet and cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, carefully flip your cod and cook for another 3 minutes. Now carefully remove your fish from the skillet and place them on a platter. After removing your fish, go ahead and place them in the microwave to stay warm while we make our sauce. After removing your fish, go ahead and add your butter and turn your heat down to medium-low. Now that your butter has melted, add your garlic. Saute for 1 minute. After a minute, go ahead and turn off the heat. Add your parsley, dill, and your lemon juice. And if there's any seeds in here, go ahead and just remove them. Mix your butter and the lemon juice. Season with some lemon pepper. Give that a stir. This looks great, and this is all we're doing for the sauce. After your garlic butter sauce is ready, go ahead and drizzle that over your fish. Hello guys, so my garlic butter cod is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? Yes, my mouth is watery and I cannot wait to enjoy this. Just wanted to show you guys how flaky this fish is. Super flaky. Wow, it's just so delicious, guys. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. You can also use halibut or tilapia for this recipe. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.